15th of February 2020 is the year. This is my MSR Heli. MSRS Heli with safe technology with a DSMX protocol with blade. It's an RTO version. I bought spare batteries, and this one recommends input of DC 5 volts, 350 milliamps. So I'm not using any kind of charger, cell phone charger, but instead I'm using my PS4 console to recharge my batteries. And it's a 45 C rating. It's a charging rate of 45. It's high discharge rating for this Heli. And this eliminates the need of charger with the wire. This one came with my tri-grade quad-core present 2.4 GHz of 4-channel Heli, fixed page, coaxial Helis. Still good for charging, but the good thing is that I have now proper charger. This one, today's cell phone chargers has a higher amperages because the phones have bigger batteries, so one has to find some charger with low amps. So it's also indicated here, mentioned here, DC 5 volts, 350 milliamp hours. Output is 4.2 volts, 300 milliamp hours, whereas this battery has 150 milliamp hours. So this charger, if this outputs 300 milliamps, which is higher than this mentioned on this battery, but these batteries tend to be charged with C ratings 3 times, 3C charging rate. So this charge is also doing justice with these batteries, not keeping above, but 3 amperage is high, not more than that. It's still good for the one battery needs and can consume. This one I flew it with the safe on here. Advantages, I can bind this with my DSMX 9-channel radio receiver, one radio, and various air vehicles have. So